Okay guys, I'm back. We trade Bitcoin by Tuniverse after last video. It's been 4 months. Today I'm going to talk about how I made over 90% on the way up right here. So I'm going to share with you today my trading strategy. This is not financial advice. This is for entertaining, for information that you can use to know what other people think. So let's talking about previous video first. Right now, let me delete this. How are you guys? I hope you stay well and keep trading. If you are my follower, if you're watching this video, you might have a good profit by now. Last video I mentioned about this level. So let's turn back into this is daily chart, by the way. Last time you see the green dot here, 3 green dot. This is my entry position on Bitcoin spot. This dip happened from FTX. Go to hell. Yeah, people lost a lot of money, including me, a lot of money from FTX. So it went down to here at this candle. I bought it here first position because I think this is a strong support and a little bit of retest and should go this way. But anyway, FTX happened, and then I keep this because I think it's not gonna come like lower than this level, this support level. So let me zoom out here. This support level come from around the top level of 2020, around this level. This is my first strong support, so this is why I have this support from 14,000 to 10,000. And then including last time in previous video, I will put link above this video so you guys can go back to my previous video and see what I am talked in that video. Because when the price dipped below here, so I bought one here, I bought one more here. I bought the second one because the reason that I buy, because I saw the here, you see, divergence. I found divergence in daily charts. Price come a little bit lower. Let me remove drawing for you guys to see it clearer. So here I saw this little bit, shallow price come below the previous dump, but at the same time here we see divergence on RSI, the price coming back below, lower than RSI momentum. Momentum is not keep going down, continue down anymore. So this is why I decided to buy spot Bitcoin here. So, and then in previous video I said the price might go sideways because every time when divergence momentum happen like this, it doesn't mean price need to like reverse back this way, because at that time let's take a look at volume, trading volume. If you look at trading volume, it's not significant high. The volume stay up around this level. You see, it pumped the volume surge a little bit here, but then it come back down to the same level. So if it like this, at least I need to see the volume average here, and then when it come back down, it's average higher. Like this, I can expect price go higher, but in this case volume trading at the same level. So I thought price will go sideways, and it is. Divergence here means price might diversify from the momentum, because the momentum tell you that momentum is not going lower and lower anymore. It could mean price reverse back quickly like this, or price stop going down by change behavior like this, go sideways. In my previous video I mentioned price will go sideways in this level. If price come back down to here, I'm going to buy at any time. If price come to this support, yeah, I draw my this support here, I'm going to buy every time. This is my strong support. So I even put the green line here, hard entry hold. You see, this is my people holding from 2018, 2020, a lot of them. So this is a lot of emotion, a lot of money here. But anyway, price continue to the right side and then break and then go up higher. In today, I'm going to talk about, let me turn this off. Today I'm going to talk about 3 different phases. First phase, I will talking about this, yeah, sideways, and the second phase, this is first phase, and the second phase I will going to talk about the breakout, and the retest, and the third phase of this video I am going to talk about the breakout and pump, and then what next. Yeah, this will be 3. So make sure you watch until the phase 3 of this video. The last phase I will talking about this, and I will share with you about my prediction and strategy about trading Bitcoin. So let's take in. Okay, we start from here. If you are new in this video, please consider to subscribe this video, this channel, like this video, and comment and share with your friends if you like it, if you find it useful. So first I am going to talk about the range here, after FTX collapse, because if you see the earlier in 2022, we see the volume coming in, the volatility works and coming in play in Bitcoin on the way up and down, and range in here, the percentage of the candle quite big. We can see one candle move for 8% in one day, or down 10% in one day, something like that, a lot, all year long. But in 2022, you see the behavior of price, I mean this year, sorry, this year, if you if I split into this screen, if you look at the price behavior between last year, yeah, volatility, average move, average range, quite high, but the price this year is quite low. No one trade, or people scared from this event, FTX happened. So this is good news, because I tell myself, if the price dump real hard because something happened in the market, anyway, something going to happen. It happen every cycle, so I'm going to buy, and I buy here. So this is why, because we don't have any volatility, my strategy was I'm not going to buy anything here. I am going to buy only when price coming in here. And then now we're looking at the pattern, what happened when price goes sideways with very little volume. So let's go turn back time into previous cycle. Okay, we back to 2020. Let's see, let's take a look. Yeah, I think you see something. Let's take a look at 2020. Yeah, after this price dump from COVID, right? And then price recover to the same level, and it trade with so little volume, less and less. We see the squeeze, the price squeezing like this, yeah, squeezing into triangle. Some people trade with triangle, so you know, but I don't, I personally don't use triangle in trading at all. So yeah, if you see price squeeze like this and the volume less and less and less and less and less, price not moving so much. So when I see this happen, I assume price might go break out into one direction. It could be down, it could be up. In previous video I told you price will more likely to do the breakout, so this is the first phase. This is the first phase of this year. Yeah, the first chapter, I can say the first chapter. Yeah, what we see is the same. Price move higher, volatility, recover for 15%, and then down 3%, and then pump for 4%, thing like that, until this period of time. You see price, one candle is like, you know, like 0 point something percent, you know, 1%, let's say. Very little, very little. I would not trade anything like this, but I assume if price, in my previous video I mentioned price might come here sideways and break down, or sideways and break up. I will put link in this video to my previous video if you want to see. But this is interesting thing happened. You see price keep make higher high, higher low. Let me see, let me zoom in, let me see. Higher high and higher low is very important for me in trading. I want to see this higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. Yeah, close. This is not higher low, but next candle it make higher high. Yeah, it make higher high again, it make higher high and higher high and higher high. Keep continue until in the end it the volume come in and it pump real hard. So after it pump, we see behavior. Before we analyze this chart, I analyze chart my way from looking at the chart, looking at the momentum, watching volume, how the volume goes, right? Below here, easy. I will try to explain my trade very simple way, so but it works. I use this strategy for very long time. It works for me. So if you guys are looking at more information, it's up to you. But this, I am a hodler. I trade Bitcoin for more Bitcoin, to buy more Bitcoin, to hold it for a long time and take profit time to time when I have enough. All right, so trading doesn't have to be complicated like you guys think about. All right, so let's talk about the second phase here. This is the second phase. The second phase, I did not buy anything more in this level because I keep my plan. If the price come back to here, I will buy any dip, any candle, any day, any time DCA down if price above this level. And when you are trader, when you are investing in Bitcoin, investing in anything, you must have a plan and you should stick to your plan. I stick with my long-term plan, long-term goal. But if you know me, if you know chatting with me in chat room, so you know I play short, I play day trading, and I lost money, you know, win and loss. Sometimes I give back in half of the day. I made in the morning, I gave back, you know, just for fun. But majority of my trade are in Bitcoin spot market, and keep Bitcoin safe in cold wallet. Remember that, right? Talk about the second phase. This is second phase. We see volatility coming in from volatility here very low, and here we see price move higher each day, each candle. Oh, sorry. Here we see price move each day, each candle, and in this red line, you might question, hey, what is this red line and why price it just stop here and come back down? You see this red line, why? Okay, I need to turn back to tell you this is red line for me because I made this by I assumed price the price came back up here in August 2022 and then push back down and never come back here again and come back here again on February 23 and then come back down again. So after two touch, so I create this red line. So I will planning about bull market strategy when the price break over this line. You know, if you're chatting with me, if you know me very well. I am a guy who always prepare for breakout. Yeah, I want you to keep this in mind. Did you prepare? Did you prepare? Right? Did you prepare when you see this? Did you prepare? Yeah, I prepare here. Okay, where I did prepare. I prepare here. I prepare divergence here. I prepare my capital to get in here. I prepare another capital here, but it did not come. I prepare here, breakout, yes, I prepare, but I prepare this on day trading, but on long-term spot. I did not buy, but I did get into trade around here and made short profit. I mean not a short position, but like short-term profit, and then I sold around here. I don't remember. So make a lot of fun in day trading. So did you prepare? This is the point of this video. Did you prepare? So now we are going to talk about the third phase. Yeah, the third phase. Did you prepare? Now we are going to prepare about this third phase. What going to happen next? This third phase is this. when we see price come back down here, pull back, deviation, come back up, bull flag, pump like this. To me, this is very bullish. Sorry guys. I trade day trade here. I lost, I win, I lost, but in the end it didn't make a lot of money. So I just do it for fun, for food, for small money. But I recommend you guys about investing to put big money in spot market and better trade on daily chart or long-term swing. To me, I prefer this way. And then next, what next? What next did you prepare? When I prepare, I like to look at the weekly chart. Yeah. Sorry. Weekly chart. Okay. Did you prepare? Yeah. To me, when I look at weekly chart, I see something meaningful in chart, something that tells emotions of the trader, emotion of investor in this market. People buy a lot and people keep buying until price come back to the higher than level that people afraid the most in FTX. This is significant of the market rally is between two of these candle. It break is very important to me. And one more thing, when it come back down to retest this level, it couldn't break down. Why? Because if you're looking at this level, a lot of people for 1 year, a lot of emotion. This is weekly chart. This is so many months that people keep buying it. And take a look at the volume. Take a look at the volume. Look at the volume is increasing. You see how many people buy and sell and got liquidated, and so many things happen in this area. So I think even this gray areas come from let me turn back to you. Yeah, it come from top of 2020, 2019 and 2018. So this level has a lot of capital, big, large, huge emotion, time, coins, hodler, so many things here, and including this level all together like this. It's huge. I don't think the price might able to break into this level. I don't think price will break into this level anymore. And what happened was here. I want to zoom in. I want you to take a look at this 2018 all-time high on blue line here, and you see when it this candle come to touch all-time high, it immediately down and push back up in 1 week. This is very, very strong, significant data to me. So now we are going to find the candle like this that like down to like 14% and push back up 12% in 1 week. So let's scroll back. Let me scroll back and then we will see. So do we see any? This is not count because this not hit any support at all. So do we see any? Here I think maybe yes. Look like it. Yeah, look like it. This candle down 15%. And then push back up, 9%. This is quite a lot. And after this candle, next week we see price go back up, push back down again, cannot break support, and pull back up to 27%. So this one happened once, and then what else? We don't see anything here. Maybe here. I think this also count. This candle, weekly candle like this, very important to me. I will consider buy every time when I see these. All right, and then let's get back into here. Yeah, you see. This means strong bull market, bull coming in. Where is it? So we don't see much. Yeah, we don't see much. Let's get back into 2018. I think here, right? So, and anyway, next week price pull back up 2 week, 3 week. Yeah. So it's very important to me, especially when the price pull back, weekly chart pull back like this, and it hit right at the significant support and pull back up. And then of course I'm going to buy this in my day trading. I play with this level also, make some profit, not a lot, I trade for food. It's not big position at all. So yeah, this candle also is very important. Trade higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then now we see price move 3 weeks in sideways and break up here. So what we expect, what we able to expect to see, for me, I think after this pullback and push back up like this, to me, this is bull market. I give it, listen carefully. I think it has potential of big bull run and parabolic. Why? Let me explain. Is it like head and shoulder to you? If you guys trading on chart pattern, if you don't know what is a head and shoulder, if you're new, you can like just Google it about head and shoulder. And head and shoulder, usually I will draw it look like this. This is shoulder, this is head, this is shoulder, right? Yeah, we call it this. Eyes, this is eye, you know, like head and shoulder like this. We call head and shoulder. Every time when we have head and shoulder like this, price will more likely to go opposite way of head and shoulder. So okay, let me show you. This is look like head and shoulder in reverse to you. Does it look like head and shoulder? Eye and smile like this. Reverse. Price will more likely to reverse back up here. Yeah. So this is the first clue that I found about patterns, including this these two candles really significant, and it has weight really heavy. For me, I personally look at these two, and I think this is a bull market, right? It's possible to have bull market. If bull market run here, I'm not going to worry that we are going to trade like range like this anymore. I'm not thinking like this. What I have in my opinion, I think when Bitcoin trade in a range, did you prepare when Bitcoin trading in a range in behalf of bull market, right? I want to see Bitcoin break. I think this could be first significant resistance that we could see. It might come here, and then if it not break, it might come down here, but I don't want to see Bitcoin break below this red line at all. It have to hold this level. It can be something like this for long, it doesn't matter, but it should not go back down below this. And if it break here, I would like to see the bull run, and we might trade in a range like this. When we trade in a range, mean I want to zoom in into daily chart, and I want to see range when Bitcoin ranging in previous time. Okay, let's see here between August to November, September to November. This is the range when Bitcoin trading. You see, it can range like this in low volume, but when bull run, like for this example, for okay, this example 2021 to 2022, for example, bull run. Look at the range. The range high is here. The range low is here. Look at this huge range that Bitcoin can move, right? I expecting this to happen in the future. I would like to see the range, the Bitcoin. Let me zoom into. I would like to see weekly chart like this. I would like to see Bitcoin trading in this range. Yeah, it can go back up and down, and here and down here, and can make the big hill and uphill, whatever. Yeah, but it should come to this range for maybe one more year. Why? You think like, oh, this is too high, this is like another 100%, this is another 200%, because you know, like 140%, because we made another 100% already. Is it gonna go that high? I think it's more likely possible, because when we look back here between 2018 to 2020, let's take a look at this. Look at this range, guys. Look at this range, yeah, from $3,000, from $3,000 to 13,000. Look at the range. How you can handle the trading the range like this? It happened, guys. It happened. The question is, did you prepare if it happened? I did. Yes, I did. How? By how? I did prepare by I got my entry here, and then I do day trade here, but I didn't re-entry on my spot yet. I am going to see pullback. I would like to see some pullback, maybe not happen, but if, let's see, 1 or 2 weeks, if it go up here and if it push back down, not below here, and go back up here, I could consider buy here. Or if it's not just able to go up anymore and come back directly to here and then pull back up here, I would buy here in this range, in this red line. Yeah, I'm looking at this or this to add into my spot. So if you guys doesn't have any Bitcoin, I think you guys should look at this. So let me zoom in and make a details analysis about support and resistance. Here, this is my this is daily chart. I will buy here. This is how I prepare. I will prepare if Bitcoin come to this range. Yeah, come to this range on daily chart. Any price when Bitcoin come back down. If it come back down to here, I'm going to buy. If it come back down to here, I'm going to buy at this range. This is my battle. It could break, yeah, deviate and go back up. This is what is the best case I'm hoping for. But if not, we have to create 2 or more scenario all the time. If not, what if not? If it come down to this red line, I'm going to buy here into spot, because of this could be head and shoulder retest. This could be head and shoulder retest. So I'm going to buy here into this. Now I just wait and wait and wait for Bitcoin to come back down. But what if it's not going down this way? How I can prepare? Yeah, how I can prepare? I would like to prepare at next level. I would like to see Bitcoin come back to here and hit the resistance, hit this resistance. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Okay. Next, if it's just so bullish, non-stop. Let's see tomorrow it come to here, right? And then pull back. Yeah. I don't want to see it pull back below this so much. Yeah. If it pull back here, I could buy small amount here, and I want to see it come back up like this. This is my strategy. Okay, let me draw one more support for you guys. Zoom in. My support for, I would call this pre-entry. Yeah, this is my pre-entry position. Yeah. Oh. Okay, here Here could be my pre-entry. This is pre-entry. Pre-entry I will buy only when it come to hit this and come back up. I will buy, but I will not buy pre-entry if next day or 2 days it just pull back. I will not buy. You have to see how it play out. I will buy the first position here only when it come up here and come back down. I will buy the second position here. I will buy into my spot. If it just come back down here immediately, I will buy, because I hope it will come to this, go back up, right? And if it not go back up, I will buy one more here, and I will hope it will go back up, right? I should have this and this in case price coming back down. All right, but if price not coming back down, forget about this, forget about 2 of this. I'm not going to buy, because it's not going to come back anyway. It's going to come back because of this and maybe range here, maybe this is what I want, and I will wait for it. Remember guys, when you have plan, you need to follow your plan and trade strategy. Prepare your trade, prepare your plan, prepare your capital, prepare how much you can lost. Yeah, prepare. Did you prepare? And this is because of the plan, because of my preparation, it gives me this much of profit. So we're talking about the video, this video title. I made over 90% from this entry, 90% from this entry, because of the plan, because I follow the plan and prepare. And yeah, this is all for today. For now, I'm going to prepare, and I try to make trading Bitcoin video weekly. Last video was 4 months ago, but yeah, I'm going to try to do it weekly, so we can learn about it together. We can find out if you have something, you have question for me, or you see things differently. Please comment in this video, and please subscribe on my channel, so I will go to your comment and see if I miss something in trading, so we can help each other. And keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This channel is for entertainment. I'm just sharing my strategy and what I going to do, how I prepare for trade and things like that. So see you guys in next video. Give me some like and share this video if you found it useful for someone you know. And have a good luck, and hope we earn more Bitcoin, trade more Bitcoin, and you can also keep a lot of Bitcoin in your wallet. And yeah, see you guys in next video. Goodbye.